Hello my dear students of class 2nd. In my last video, we have finished the explanation of chapter 2. Now in this video, we will read and learn poem 1 from our Gulmohar book. The title of the poem is Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? By Swapna Datta. In this poem, the speaker hears the cuckoo bird singing in the champak tree in her house. The speaker can't see the bird as it is hidden in the thick and dense leaves of the tree. The speaker hears the bird's lovely singing at night. The cuckoo bird seems to be singing about her dark color and that there is no other bird that can sing like her. Now let us recite the poem. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven-colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I've often heard her sing. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close. But how she sings at night! Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird. I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. So, in this poem, the speaker asks us if we have seen a cuckoo bird with black wings. She has not seen the bird but has heard the bird sing. It is the cuckoo on their champak tree. The bird cannot be seen because there are plenty of leaves on the tree, but it can be heard singing cuckoo cuckoo melodiously. The bird seems to say that she may be dark, but she can sing beautifully. Now let us start doing the exercises of this poem. First of all, understanding the poem. Exercise A. Answer these questions in one sentence each. Okay, you have to answer all these questions in one sentence. Question number 1. What color are the cuckoo's wings? What color are the cuckoo's wings? The answer is the cuckoo's wings are black, right? Raven color. So raven color is also known as black color. Number 2. Where is the cuckoo? The cuckoo is on the champak tree. Number 3. Why can't the speaker see the cuckoo? As we have read in the poem, the speaker cannot see the cuckoo because it is hidden in the thick leaves of the champak tree. Okay, because it is hidden in the thick leaves of the champak tree, that is why the speaker cannot see cuckoo. Number 4. When does the cuckoo sing? The answer is the cuckoo sings at night. Number 5. What does the cuckoo say? In the poem we have read that the cuckoo says that she is dark but she sings better than all the birds. Okay, she is dark but she know that she can sing better than all the other birds. Now answer these questions. Exercise B is answer these questions. Number 1. Has the speaker seen the cuckoo? Which line in the poem tells you that? In the poem, we have read that the speaker cannot see the cuckoo, right? So, has the speaker see the cuckoo? The answer is no, the speaker hasn't seen the cuckoo. And the lines from the poem are, look here, although I haven't seen one yet. Okay, so this is the first line, and second line is the cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight. So this is the second line, which shows that the speaker cannot see cuckoo. Okay, so you have to write down these two lines. Next question is, how does the speaker know that the bird is there? How does the speaker know? Because she can hear her sing, right? Which lines in the poem tells you that? So, the speaker knows that the bird is there, and the lines are, look here, I've often heard her sing, right? स्पीकर उसको कभी कभी उसकी आवाज़ सुनाई देती थी, right? तभी तो उसे पता चला कि वहाँ पर कुकू है. तो number 1 is I've often heard her sing. This line shows that the cuckoo bird is there. And number 2 is but how she sings at night. लेकिन वो रात में कैसे गाती है? तो ये दो लाइन हमें बताती हैं कि स्पीकर को ये पता है कि कुकू बर्ड वहाँ पर है, लेकिन these two lines shows that the speaker hasn't seen the cuckoo. उसने कुकू को अभी तक देखा नहीं है, लेकिन वो वहाँ पर है. क्लियर? ओके. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज enjoying the poem. Find the 3 pairs of words that rhyme in the poem. Rhyming words are जिन words की pronunciation एक जैसी होती है. ओके, वो लगभग एक जैसा pronounce करते हैं, उन्हें rhyming words कहते हैं. So, look here. Wing, sing. Both sound same. So number 1 is wing and the rhyming word is sing. Number 2 sight and the rhyme is night. Okay, wing, sing, sight, night, true, do. Okay, these are rhyming words from the poem. Number 2, add another word of your own that rhymes with these. Okay, you can write any other word. If you know or if you understand this question, you can write any other word of your choice. I have written bird, rhyming word third, curd. You can also write heard, word. Okay, it should be a rhyming word. वो एक जैसा प्रोनाउंस होना चाहिए. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट close. Toes, nose. You can write pose. Okay, any word that rhyme with close. Here we have finished the poem. Have you seen the cuckoo word with all the exercises? Now you have to write down the poem in your notebook. Draw this picture as I have told you. Draw a square box, and then you have to draw this picture on a separate paper, then paste it inside the box in your classwork notebook. Then write down this poem, and after that write down these question answers. Okay, goodbye.